In this video, I will show you guys how you guys can log in into your Target's Red Card account. So the steps are a bit different than the one in which you have to log in into a Target account. So be sure to not get confused and follow the step carefully, alright? But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step and hit that subscribe button and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Target. Once you search for Target, you want to click on where it says target.com. And you can search for target.com straight. It'll bring you to this page, so don't worry about it. Once you're over here, click on sign in at the top right, and from all these options, what you want to do is you want to choose red card from over here. So once you see red card, click on red card and it's going to take you to the red card page. Now once you're in this page, you can see sign in over here at the top right. So we already have a card, so we're going to click on sign in. Once you do that, where it says email or phone number, whichever thing you want, you can enter over here, whether it's email or your phone number. Once you do that, where it says password, enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on sign in and you should be able to log in into your Target's Red Card account. If you forgot your password, you can click on it to recover your password as well. And if you want to create an account, you can click on create a Target account to do that as well. So hope I was able to help you guys with this video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.